Alex, wake up!
5 more minutes, Mom.
No, it's already 8:30.
Do I have to get up now?
Yes, you can't sleep all day.
Okay, I'm getting up.
Go wash your face and brush your teeth.
All right, Mom.
Are you hungry?
Yes, very hungry.
I made pancakes and fruit.
Thank you. It smells so good.
Sit down and eat before it gets cold.
What are your plans today, Mom?
I'll clean the house and go shopping. What about you?
I'll do my homework and maybe play some games.
Good. After breakfast, help me with the dishes.
Sure, Mom.
You're a good boy.
Thanks, Mom. You're the best. Mom, I don't feel good.
Oh no, what's wrong?
My head hurts and I feel cold.
Let me check your temperature.
Okay.
You have a little fever.
I feel tired too.
You should rest today.
Can I stay home from school?
Yes, I'll call your teacher.
Thank you, Mom.
Do you want some soup?
Yes, please.
I'll make chicken soup for you.
You always take care of me.
Of course, I love you.
I love you too.
Jack, it's 3:30 now.
Okay, Mom.
Let's go to the clinic.
I hope the doctor can help me feel better.
Don't worry, you'll be fine.
Thank you for taking care of me.
Of course, I always will.
Can we get some soup after?
Yes, we can. Now, let's get your jacket and go.
I'm ready, Mom.
Hello, what is your name? This is Jack. Hi, Jack. How old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
Thank you. Please wait here. The doctor will see you soon.
Thank you. You're welcome. If you need anything, just ask.
Okay.
Don't worry, Jack. The doctor will help you feel better.
I hope so, Mom.
Hello, Jack. What's the problem?
I have a headache and my throat hurts.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, I feel hot and tired.
How long have you felt this way?
Since yesterday.
Let me check your temperature.
He was very tired all day.
You have a small fever, Jack.
No, it's just a cold. You need rest and some medicine.
Thank you, doctor.
You're welcome. Get well soon, Jack.
I love you, son.
I love you too, Mom.
You were very brave at the doctor today.
I was a little scared, but you were with me.
I will always be here for you.
Thank you for taking care of me.
That's what moms do. Now rest, and I'll bring you some soup.
You're the best, Mom.
Get well soon, my dear.
I will, Mom. Thank you. Mom, have you seen my keys?
Did you check your backpack?
Yes, they're not there.
What about your jacket pocket?
No, not there either.
Did you look in the living room?
Oh, I found them on the sofa.
See, I told you to check there.
You're always right, Mom.
Next time, put them in the same place.
I will try.
Good. Now wash your hands. It's time for lunch.
Okay, Mom. Mom, it's raining outside.
Yes, it's a rainy day.
Can we go outside and play?
No, it's too wet.
I'm bored.
Let's bake cookies together.
Really? That sounds fun.
Go wash your hands first.
Done. What do we need?
Flour, sugar, eggs, and chocolate chips.
I'll get the eggs.
Good helper. Now mix everything.
The dough feels funny.
That's normal. Now we bake them.
I can't wait to eat cookies.
Me too. Rainy days are better with cookies. Alex, can we talk for a minute?
Sure, Mom.
You've been quiet lately.
I'm just thinking about my future.
That's normal. Everyone feels that way sometimes.
I don't know what I want to do,
You don't have to decide everything now.
but I feel pressure from school.
Just do your best. I'm proud of you no matter what.
Thanks, Mom. That helps a lot.
Remember, I'm always here for you.
I know. I love you, Mom.
I love you too. Alex, dinner's ready.
Coming, Mom.
Wash your hands before you eat.
Already did.
Good boy.
What's for dinner?
Rice, chicken, and vegetables.
My favorite.
I made extra for you.
Thank you, Mom.
After dinner, help me clean the table.
Sure.
You always help me.
because you always help me too.